Hello, I'm Iain Geddes from the Camping Caravanning Club Technical Department. On the help desk we've had several queries about tyre inflators and what's suitable for the higher pressures required in motorhome and caravan tyres. We've got some samples we're going to take a closer look at and see what they're capable of. The classic foot pump is a great bit of kit. With just a bit of personal effort you can quickly put a little air in a tyre. Once you get into higher pressures found in many leisure vehicles you may struggle, and perhaps a 12-volt electric pump would be better. However, it's not that straightforward. Large leisure vehicles not only have higher operating pressure, sometimes beyond even a forecourt air supply, there's also a large volume of air too. This is a big ask of the tiny compressor within these little plastic cases. This mobility kit inflator plugs into a lighter socket and can be used without the sealant to simply top up a tyre, or you can buy one aftermarket with added features such as a working light. Yet they really struggle to get up to the 51 psi I require in this caravan tyre. There's some heavy duty pumps on the market. What's notable is they connect directly to the battery. They have a more powerful motor with greater torque to overcome the resistance of pumping into a higher pressure, and they cope better with the heat generated too. One tip with 12-volt pumps: keep the engine running whilst they're in use, to protect the battery and keep the voltage high. I hope you found that helpful, and don't forget to visit our website campingandcaravanningclub.co.uk. We have a wealth of information there. Just click on the tab Help and Advice. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.